Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious homemade cookies without using an oven. Yes, you heard that right. Soft, crunchy, mouth-watering cookies made right on your stove top with simple ingredients you probably have at home. If you ever thought baking cookies was impossible without an oven, then this video is for you. So grab your mixing bowl and let's do this together. So in my bowl here, I'll go in with my margarine. And if you have butter too, you can equally use it for this recipe. So I'll just stir and then go in with my sugar. So I'll leave the quantity of ingredients I use in the description box below. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hi, I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel Getty Cooks, where we make easy recipes here. If you like what you are seeing, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. As you can see, the mixture is becoming more lighter, and now I'll go in with my vanilla essence. I also added some pineapple essence. You can add any flavor of your choice to this recipe. So I'll cream everything all together. Okay, now the butter has become very light and the color too has become pale yellow. So I'll just go ahead and then go in with my flour. Then after that, I also went in with my Cerelac, which is optional, but adding this to your cookies give it a very nice and yummy taste. Guys, you just try this and you will love it. So now I will mix until everything mixes well beautifully. And I also want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video, leaving a comment under my post. Thank you so much for sharing and also for liking. God bless you all. Thank you. And thank you so much if you have watched this video up to this point. I'm grateful. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach wider audience. So now the dough is beautifully formed and I'll just allow this to rest for some few minutes before I will then start rolling. So guys, after resting for a few minutes, I'll just spread some flour on my working surface and then go in with my dough and roll this until it is flat. Okay, so after rolling the dough to the thickness that I prefer, I will then go ahead with the help of my cutter and I will use it to shape my cookies. You can use any cutter of your choice to get any shape that you prefer for these cookies. So guys, I went in for round, this rough round shape, and I also went in for other shapes as well. As I said earlier on, you can use any cutter to make any shape you prefer. So guys, after cutting, this is the shape we are going in for. This came out so beautifully. Okay, so after getting our shapes, I went ahead to heat up my pan for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I went in with my cut dough. So I'll drop it gently on the pan and then go ahead to cover it. So after 10 minutes, I will just flip it for the other side to also bake beautifully. And if you are still with me up to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach wider audience. So as you can see, I'm just flipping all the cookies for the other part to also cook very well. So after 5 minutes, guys, the first batch is all done and ready to be enjoyed. So after taking it off from the pan, I'll go ahead and then bake my second batch. And so that is what I'm doing right now. After some few minutes, I also went ahead to just flip the other side. So you can watch me on Facebook and watch my detailed short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. The name is Getty Cook. So guys, at this point, our second batch is also ready and I'm just taking it off from the fire. And that's it. Our delicious homemade stovetop cookies are ready to enjoy. Just look at how golden, crunchy, and tempting they are. The best part is that we make them without an oven, proving that anyone can bake tasty cookies right at home using a simple stove top. I hope you enjoyed making these easy cookies with me today. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section how it turned out, and please feel free to share your own tips and variation. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one.